Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss Jheri. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, I got the title. I'm going to get my Jheri Curl done again. My hair is due. Like I always say, like videos I've been uploading recently on my channel, I've always been saying my hair is due, my hair is due. I get comments from you guys saying, yeah, my hair is due. When am I going to get a retouch? Please, can you do this? Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you? So now I have the video. The video is here. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So today I'm going to get it done, and I got my kit. I got it for 4,000 naira, but getting it in a supermarket or getting it in a shop, wherever you are, the price might not be the same. Okay, let's go. Yeah, the woman is around, is to do my Jheri Curl for me. She's around, a professional. So let's start going. I hope you guys have seen my thrift haul video, my first clothing haul video. I got this from a true store online, so check the video out. It will be linked up. Okay, let's go. I'm so excited. I'm going to vlog this whole thing because most of you ask, what's the first step, what's that. Then keep on watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share to your family and friends, drop your comment down if this video was helpful, if you enjoyed it, subscribe and turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. No further ado, let's get right into the video.
I mean it, every part has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, waste your time, keep fighting. Even if you drift and fall, with the mud that still stands tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming. Even if you drift and fall, with the mud that still stands tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming. Stay dreaming.
Every day I still remember when I was really free and all the things I lived. In the midst of the things that I left, I regret for this. It won't be the same, yeah. I never never felt this way, 'cause I want to come back and find my way, and I have to run and run away. I finally choose, yeah, 'cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. Now I'm disappearing, looking for light. Listen, the time for you, yeah, I'm wide awake for real. I'm wide awake for real. Every day I still remember when I was really free, and all the things I lived, and the midst all the things that I left. I regret for this, it won't be the same, yeah. I never felt this way, 'cause I want to come back and find my way, and I have to run and run away. I finally choose, yeah, 'cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. Now I'm disappearing, looking for light. Listen, the time for you, yeah, I'm wide awake for real. I'm wide awake for real. 'Cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. Now I'm disappearing, looking for light. Listen, the time for you, yeah, I'm wide awake for real. I'm wide awake for real. I'm wide awake for real.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a shine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the clouds. And everything we search, I mean it. Every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time, keep fighting. And even if you drift and fall, look down, not and still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming. Stay dreaming.
So guys, I'm back. You guys can see how the hair is. She took her time to do this. She's a professional. Like, this is a professional who has been doing Jheri Curl for years. Like, oh my goodness, she's so good. Her relaxing was just on point. She went in, like, just cut my hair, just, you know, comb it out. This is so yummy. This is juicy. Like, this is lovely. She told me I shouldn't style the hair too soon. It's too early. I should just leave my hair for like some days before I start styling my hair. This is so nice. Like, it's so nice. Let me show you guys the back. My hair is really cool, like, it's really cool. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope this video is really helpful. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down your thoughts, just drop a comment, share to your family and friends, and subscribe to my wonderful channel. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Yeah, this is so nice. So guys, she told me that there is a difference between perm and Jheri Curl. Perm is a hot wave. Jheri Curl is a cold wave. Now I understand why this has permanent cold wave coil system. Now I know why this is called a cold wave. Why a perm is a hot wave. If you watched the video, you watch carefully, you will notice that she washed my hair before applying relaxer, because she said that Jheri Curl, the cold wave, you have to wash it out and stuff like that. But assuming I washed my hair at home and then I came there and stuff, because I applied gel on my hair, so she has to wash out the gel. But assuming I just washed my hair and I just came there to do my Jheri Curl, she won't wash the hair. But a perm, she don't even need to wash anything. She just apply anyhow she apply, and then that's your hair is relaxed and then apply. But this is just so lovely, and she used tissue, like she told me to use tissue to put on the rollers because it makes your coil last longer. So I hope this video was helpful to you, or those of you asking me there in the comments saying, when are you going to redo your hair? Can you make a video of you redoing your hair for the second time, your Jheri Curl for the second time, and all of that? Now the video is here. I hope this video is helpful to you. Or please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe to my wonderful channel. My channel is for everyone. Okay, it's for everyone. So be sure to do that. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.